Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So I wanted to come up and show you an example of a brake shoe, right? So here's a brake shoe, and when we say that it's got heat glazed, what I want you to look at is, you see how it's shiny on part of it and how it looks like it's kind of reflective, and then you see how it's got like pieces in it missing. So the shoe itself is still nice and thick. There's still plenty of life left on it. I didn't have my scale out here to measure it to tell you what the millimeters is or the measurement on it, but what I want to talk about was just the glazing of it. So you can get glazed shoes, and you know, this one, we're not going to end up replacing it for the customer unless he wants to, but we're basically just going to rough it all up, clean it up for him, emery cloth it, and move on. So told him, you know, basically, hey, you got another, you know, wheel bearing maintenance by the next time compared to this side. So see how this one's not as shiny like the other one, and it's not missing anything out of it, right? So let's come back over here again just so you can have the comparison. So see how all the pieces are missing and how it's all shiny and roughed up, right? That's what we call glazing. So all right, well, stay tuned for more. Hopefully this kind of gives you an example of what we're talking about, and we will get back to you. Thanks again for watching.